Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make the videos like the lovely horror show using AI, the same eerie narration, the cinematic visuals and storytelling style that's blowing up right now. First of all, start with the script. You can use AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Claude in order to generate your short horror stories or urban legends. Over here you can just give the prompt like write me a horror story, and you can basically use your prompt strategy in order to generate a story for you. Now once your story is ready, you will need the voice generation tool. Most of the people are currently using 11 labs. You can also use the free Google AI Studio too. Here you just have to select a calm eerie narration tone. You need to choose a slightly slow delivery, lower pitch and soft pacing voice. This makes the story sound more mysterious and cinematic. Then for visuals, you can use the AI video generators like Pika Labs, Runway or Caber. You can type your story scenes as prompts, and then it is going to create a short clips for you. Once you have your clips ready, you just have to come here in the editing software. It can be CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, whichever you like. You can add all of your clips there. Then you can add the titles and the subtitles too. After adding the audio, you can add transitions, filters, and whichever you like, and export your final video. And then you can start uploading it on your own YouTube channel. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.